Alright, to start out the Eclipse series, her name is Tanya, by the way. We're going to start at the back end and work towards the front. We're going to pull the engine, but I got a whole bunch of rebuild and refresh parts coming in. So while we wait, we're going to work on the back end because this needs some attention. The interior, this whole car needs attention, really. But we're going to start back here. As you can see, common problem with these 2Gs is the hatch won't stay up. The main purpose of this video is to delete the antenna as well as the rear wiper. I just really don't like the look of the rear wiper and I don't see the point. So we're going to be deleting that. We have special grommets for that from Honda. But I need to be able to work in here without getting guillotined when I'm trying to take out all this stuff under here. So the first thing we're going to do is replace these hatch struts, hatch shocks, hatch supports. There we go. So let's go ahead and go to the bench and see our replacements. These are from Ultra Power. I just got them off Rock Auto. So our length is 860 mil, our stroke is 850 mil, and the eject force is 220 newtons. I don't know what these numbers actually mean, but we're gonna replace them with this. Should be super easy. Just take the old ones out, put them in, see what comes inside. Hopefully it comes with all the hardware and stuff. So it looks like it comes with brand new hardware. Take out the old ones and replace them with the new ones. So we're going to start with this top screw. I'm using a T30, but it seems like it will fit a T35 better. Let's see if this one will work. Now, of course, you don't have Torx. You can just use an Allen, a similar size. It's not the proper way to do it, but you can make it work. So there's two 10 mils right here on this bracket. And you can also use a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm not a real big fan. I'd rather just use a 10 mil. So use a 10 mil if you haven't lost it already. Now this comes out. I want to clean right here, but you don't have to. I just have some soapy water here. So you can blame all the absolutely disgustingness on the old owner. This guy did not take care of this car. Alright, first thing we're going to do is start up top right here with this threaded insert, screw, whatever you want to call it. So there's actually a washer that goes in here between. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix that really quick. Next you want to put down this bracket, put those screws in. We're going to use the hardware that came out of it. I wish I could replace this with some nicer stuff because this kind of looks a little disgusting, but I'll just make it work for now. So it's super easy to do this. You just push on the fitting and it snaps right on. Like that. I'll have to lift this up just a little bit. Cool. And that is good. We need our ghetto hood prop. It's a mop handle. Cool. Now we gotta replace that other side. Let's test it out. Works pretty good. And to close it. Cool. Alright, now that that is done, we can jump into the rear wiper delete and the antenna delete. I really don't know how to attempt taking this out. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out this bracket that holds this whole apparatus out. And that's just 10 mils. Nuts, one up here, and then one down here, and then another one in here. So we can take this bracket out from behind. Now we need to work on to get this whole thing out. It's just locked down on this tab. I really don't care about this piece. I really don't mind if it gets exploded. So I'm just going to start turning it. I wasn't recording, but I just pulled extra hard and this came out. So I don't know if I just broke something or whatever, but now I don't need this. So now the first step of taking out the rear wiper is taking out this trim. So just a couple screws. It should just be some tabs holding this thing in. So here's the wiper motor assembly. So let's go ahead and get into taking all this stuff out. First, I'm going to start disconnecting it. Get this harness here. And now it should be 3 10 mils that take out the whole motor assembly. Now from there, alright, so that just pulled out really easy. Okay, now let's close the hatch and then take out this grommet. So now I'm just going to get like a flathead screwdriver or something and try to push it in. Alright, that got a little hairy. Still no scratches. So sorry if the camera angle is a little trash. But anyways, previous owner didn't have these bolts in or nuts in, but there's 1, 2, and 3 up in this corner for the whole reservoir and motor assembly and pump assembly. I'm going to take out this nut. Hopefully this comes out, and you also want to undo this harness plug. I'm just going to take out the actuator without spilling all this stuff. Alright, this comes out. So I'll be looking on DSM tuners of what other users did for this, but I think this is a pretty cool plug anyways. I'll probably just keep that there and just cut this off right there, because this will block out the water. But I don't know, I might be able to find a grommet this size. We're about to plug these holes up, but there's one other thing that needs to be deleted, and it's this wiper sprayer that sprays out into the back windshield. That's going to be deleted as well, because it kind of looks stupid, and there's no reason to have it unless you have your actual real wiper. So this is what the area looks like without it. This hose will be deleted once I delete the sprayer, but you cleared up a lot of space here, whatever you want to put here, battery or whatever. I'm just clearing it out because the car will just look cleaner without those things, and I wouldn't even use them anyways. So it's not even really a big deal. Alright, so what we have here are some Honda genuine parts. Here are the part numbers. These are 25 mil grommets. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I ordered these from an Acura parts provider. I'll leave a link in the description to everything that's in the video below. But they're pretty much just grommets. They're block off plates. I'm pretty sure they use these on Integras to delete your antenna and stuff on the Integras. I just like to work in one edge at a time and then work my way around. Done, easy. And the other one. Cool. Make sure the edges are good, and then I just give it a push in the center, and now I make sure it seats properly. Fuck. That'll be the end of today's video, but in the next video, we're tackling all that. See those holes? Yeah. Those aren't supposed to be there. Alright, so if you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up down below. It helps a lot. Comment below any questions, comments, or concerns. I do my best to answer every comment. And subscribe to the channel if you want to follow the build. Follow the Tanya Eclipse build. It's going to be very, very sweet. So I hope I have you guys along for the ride. So, without further ado, I gotta close out the video and close this hatch. So, goodbye. See you guys next video.